Hey everyone, welcome back to Dude Let's Draw. Today we're diving into the colorful world of digital art. But wait, what exactly is digital art? Hi, I'm Jen Yoko, and today we're going to be exploring this wonderful subject that we see every day. So let's dive in and have fun! Let's draw. So today we're diving into the colorful world of digital art. But wait, what exactly is digital art anyway? Digital art is like regular art, but instead of using pencils or paint, we use fancy tech stuff like computers and tablets. It's basically art on a screen. Imagine a magic canvas that lets you draw and paint using digital tools. You won't have to buy paintbrushes, crazy canvases, or even sketchbooks. But I still recommend that you get those things anyway. It's usually for the best. Digital art also includes 3D graphics that you would see in movies like Star Wars, The Terminator, Pixar films, video games, and so much more. It's pretty amazing. Digital art had its aha moment back in the 1950s and 60s, believe it or not. That's like way before we had cool gadgets like smartphones. Artists started playing with computers to create unique visuals. It's like bringing art and tech to the same party. When did digital art start blowing up? Let's fast forward to the 90s and the 2000s when digital art really started catching on. People realized you could create stunning masterpieces without getting your hands messy with paint. But I still like getting my hands messy with paint. It's for the best. Plus, the internet made it easy to share your digital creations to the world. It was like the Wild West of digital art when the internet was first getting into everybody's homes. It was so much fun. So with that little history lesson out of the way, what items do you need to create your own digital art? To jump into digital art, you'll need some basics. Think of it like preparing for an artistic adventure. Here are a few options. A computer or a tablet, your trusty art companions, like a magical sketchbook but electronic, a stylus or pen. This is your virtual pencil. It lets you draw and create with precision. Graphics tablet, which is optional, like a drawing pad that connects to your computer. It gives you the pen and paper type of feel. You could also use your phone, but you might have to use your fingers with your phone. Or a weird stylus, it really depends. Now, let's talk about the digital software that you can use to make your digital art dreams come true. Adobe Photoshop. A bit like the superhero of the digital art software world. It's used to edit photos, paint images, create your own digital characters and drawings. So many people in the art industry use it too. It's a very powerful program that does a lot. It's wild! Procreate. Procreate is the Super Saiyan of the art world, perfect for any iPad artist or any artist who's new to the art world and wants a user-friendly type of digital software. This one's for you. This one is my second favorite. I could just take my iPad like a regular sketchbook, go to the zoo, or even just go to the park and sketch and draw, and I don't have to carry too many things around. Just my iPad and my iPencil. Krita. Krita is free. It's just like Photoshop, but it's like a virtual art studio, offering powerful drawing and painting tools for artists to unleash their creativity. Ibis Paint X is a pocket-sized art studio for your phone or tablet, offering a range of easy-to-use tools for drawing and painting on the go. They also just released a desktop version, and it includes a startup guide on their website. Check it out. And my favorite one of them all, Clip Studio Paint. It's a versatile digital art software program that combines illustration, painting, and manga creation, providing a dynamic platform for visual storytelling. And there you have it, folks. Digital art is this fantastic blend of creativity and technology. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, the world of digital art is waiting for you. So grab your digital tools, get your imagination ready to roll, and draw that crazy unicorn flying into space, pooping on a toilet, possibly having tea with Sonic the Hedgehog or something. I don't know what you kids do. Just draw. Just do it. Let's do it together. All the info is in the description below. Don't forget to like and paint that subscription button below.